Oh, chili mac made. Nice crusty top, juicy chunky pieces of turkey, and our macaroni. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to make turkey stroke chicken chili mac and cheese. So this is a way of using up all those leftovers if you're sick of eating turkey sandwiches, whatever. Or you can make this with rotisserie or cooked chicken. It's so simple. And obviously it starts with the chicken or turkey, whatever you have. I've cubed up all the white meat and I've pulled off all the dark meat. So I've got a bunch of turkey here. We're going to make a turkey stroke chicken, I'll say that, chili mac and cheese. Absolutely simple to make, and all this white meat that's dried out from the turkey is going to turn soft, moist and succulent in our chili mac. Let's do this. Okay guys, we want a pan on and we want to go in with a little bit of oil. Get some oil in your pan. And then we want to go in with our garlic. Get our garlic in there. And we'll go in with our onions. Get our onions in. Nice little stir around. Make sure it's not too hot, like my pan. We want to add a good pinch of salt. So get your salt in there. And we're going to add a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Give that a stirring in. Start to cook it up in there. Okay, chuck in our chilies. Give that a little stir through. Chuck in our peppers. Whoa! Now what we're going to do, we're going to add just a little bit of our chicken broth, just to keep it loose and not burn on the bottom of the pan. So just get that, keep that going in there guys. Keep it cooking, nice and steady. We're going to go in with, a good heaped tablespoon of oregano, our cumin, our chili powder, our sugar. Right guys, and here's a secret ingredient. We're putting in cocoa powder. So just give that a little stir through there. Oh, it's gone black, look. Don't worry about that. This is all our flavours starting to get in there, and our spices starting to bloom a little bit in there with that little bit of veg. And then what we're going to do guys, we want to go in with a couple of really good heaped tablespoons of tomato puree. Get that in there. Now we get this in now and stir it in and start to cook it a little bit. And if it starts to thicken up like that too much, go back in with a little bit more of your stock. You know, keep this loose in the pan, but we need to cook this in there and take that sourness, that rawness out of the tomato paste and the rawness out of the onions. So nice and steady. Just cook that in there. Okay guys, we're going in with our white beans. Going in with our kidney beans. Give that a little quick stir in there. Oh, that looks wholesome already actually. That looks absolutely fantastic. In with our tin tomatoes. Nice little stir in again. Oh, fantastic. That looks absolutely amazing. Right guys, and then what we want to do is we want to go in with our turkey. Or if you're using chicken, in with chicken. And then what we need to do is give that a bit of a stirring in. Now don't forget that this turkey, or chicken if you're using it from a rotisserie or cooked chicken, is already cooked. So we don't have to worry about it, you know. All we're going to do is incorporate that in there to take on some of that flavours that's in this pan. I mean, it smells absolutely amazing. And then what we're going to do, we're going to add our chicken broth. So we get our chicken broth in there, give it a stir through. Oh, just look at that. Fantastic. Right guys, we're going to cook this for about 20 minutes. Just don't forget, we're only cooking off a little bit of veg, you know, the rest of it's already cooked. So let's put a lid on. So we'll cook that for 20 minutes with the occasional stir to make sure it's not burning on the bottom. Okay guys, we've had about 20 minutes. Give it a bit of a stir. And then what we need to do now guys, we need to go in with our elbow macaroni. So we get our elbow pasta in there. Got a couple of big ones there, look. And then what we'll do is we'll give that a stir in, stir it all through. And what we're going to do, we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes solid. And then we'll turn off the heat and we'll let this rest for 5 minutes. And then that will be our turkey stroke chicken chili mac made. And then all we'll have to do is just stir through some cheese and it'll be perfect. So there we go. Put our lid back on, cook for another 5 minutes. Okay guys, ooh, hot. What we need to do is stir in about a cup of cheddar. Get that in there. Stir that through, put that cheesy flavour through our mac. Oh, look at that. Oh, superb. Turn off the heat and let it stand for another 5 minutes. Okay guys, just look at that. That is a fantastic chili mac. Using our leftover turkey, or you could use chicken. That is absolutely superb. Look at that. Okay guys, that's our chili mac made. Look at that. Awesome. Now we need to elevate this from the ground floor to the top floor. Let's show you how. Okay guys, what we're going to do, we're going to take our chili mac and we're going to dump it out into our tray, our glass tray, and then we're going to cook it in the oven. But we're going to top it first with some Doritos and cheese. So let's dump out our chili mac into our tray. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes, please. Oh, look at the amount that's in there. Oh. Just squash that in there, squash it down. Oh, let's just move that to one side. Guys, I've got a couple of packets of Doritos here, okay? And now these are called, in Thailand, the big grab bag. But you know, to be fair, it's all puffed up, but you've only got Doritos down to there. Believe me, all that. There's the crisps there. All that is air. Watch. I'll prove it. Oh, can't see what I'm doing. There is the Doritos. This is a big bag grab from Lay's. Really, it's medium in a big bag. There's the crisps, guys, look there. And then there's still room in there. Look how much wasted space and air there is in this bag of crisps. Ridiculous. Anyway, that's one. We got another big bag. So in theory then, we might as well just cut there. Oh, and look at all that space in there. Put that back in, look, so you can see, look. All that space down there, we could have cut off another 2 centimeters from this big bag grab. Nonsense. We're going to take a bag and we're going to open it up and we're going to take our Doritos and then we're going to give it a banging. So guys, take a rolling pin or something and we want to give that a squash in. Now it's not going to take much to turn this into Dorito crispy bits. There we go, guys. And then what we're going to do, guys, we're going to elevate this to the top floor. We're going to take our crushed up Dorito bits and we're going to lay them all over the top. Well, they are Lay's, so let's lay them over the top. Give it a little pat down so they just go in a little bit, and if there's any moisture, they will take a little bit of moisture on in there. Absolutely superb. So they're in there, guys, and then we're going to take some cheese and we're going to put the cheese over. We're going to get this in the oven and we're going to brown over the cheese. Now, everything's cooked, the crisps on the top are cooked, everything's cooked in here, so we just want to brown over the cheese. Give it that little bit of a crusty on the top. So I'm going to go put this in the oven, guys. The oven's already on 180 degrees. We're just going to brown over the cheese and we're good to go. So this is our turkey stroke chicken if you use chicken. Cheesy chili mac with a nice crusty Dorito and cheddar cheese topping. Taken from the ground level to the top floor. Absolutely fantastic. All we got to do now is dig in and give it a go. Oh, chili mac made. Nice crusty top, juicy chunky pieces of turkey and our macaroni. Can you hear that, guys? Crispy, crunchy top. So we elevated ours. Oh, that's a bit warm. We elevated our chili mac from ground floor to top floor. That is incredible. Really, really, really good. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, it'd be fantastic if you'd like to subscribe. That is just so good. Fantastic cheesy flavour, lovely grilled top, incredible. Till next time guys, keep safe.